or I thought they would be good to go over, whether it be for early guys in the trade or the later guys in the trade. Something that jumped out when I went by the clearance here is that the service box clearance for this unit, or control box, I guess is what they're saying, 30 inches. I don't know if that's normal, but as I recall, most of the units that I put in that had a corner-mounted control box, which is right down here on the edge of this. I don't know if you guys can see the cursor on the screen or not, but it's usually like 18 inches. So I don't know. It seems like that's a lot of space right there. But I know they have that inverter board in there, so I guess whenever the capacitors rupture and blow the door off that thing, being 30 inches away is going to save your life. I think that's probably it. Between the units, you have to have 24 inches. Against the wall, 6 inches. So that's pretty good. You can be pretty close to the walls, which everybody likes. But it looks like these units are going to be facing away from the wall with their line sets and stuff. Because being 6 inches from the wall, you're never going to have 30 inches. So technically, you're going to have to be facing the other way, which homeowners hate. Running the lines to the outside and turning them in, no homeowner likes that. They're like, can you turn it toward the wall? I said, but then I can't reach it. We don't care about you. Okay, that makes sense. That's about right.